Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. This particular smartphone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9825, a 7nm based SoC. It has 6 GB of RAM. It also has a 7000 mAh battery, which is quite substantial. It also comes with a 25-watt fast charger. It has a 64 megapixel primary camera and a 32 megapixel front camera. And it also comes with a 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display. Let's just dive right in and see what the phone actually looks like. Here we go. I'm going to make a cut over here and one cut right over here. That's it, that should do. Let's remove the lid gently. There we are. This is what the Samsung Galaxy F62 looks like. I'm going to pull this out gently. 6.7 inches of Super AMOLED display. It shows it's quite large as a phone. I'll try and turn this on and see if this works. There's a nice protective layer on top. I'm not going to remove this for now because it's going to keep the phone clean. So there you go, Samsung Galaxy. It shows secured by Knox. I'm going to keep this one right over here and see what else is there in the box. This is the 25-watt charger that I just mentioned a while ago. I'm going to keep this over here. Actually, I'm going to keep this just like this, fast charger. And this is the USB-C type charger that comes with it. I'm going to lock this one for now. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, there is a box here. So we have a lot of documents here. Let's see what they are. This is the quick start guide. Very important document. You should read this before you actually set up this device. This is the regional lock guide, which is specifically for our country, India. And finally, we have the warranty card. Anything else? And we have this pin, which is basically a SIM ejector that comes with it. This is also a very important tool. Don't lose it. You will need it to eject the SIM tray for when you want to put a SIM inside the phone or when you want to change the SIM card. So this is a very important tool, easily lost, so make sure you don't lose them. Okay, I'm going to show the phone now. Let's see what this looks like. It's a huge display, 6.7 inches. This is the primary camera, the quad camera unit. The primary camera is 64 megapixel. I will get this closer to the camera so you can see it. The primary one is 64 megapixel and the front facing one is a 32 megapixel camera. What else is there? This is your C-type charging port. There's also a 3.5mm jack